The following was recorded on July 21st, 2025. Please keep in mind laws, guidelines, and processes may change over time. Hello and welcome to another edition of Ask the Italian Lawyer, presented by ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. Of course, we're back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. Recently, we did an episode of the Italian Real Estate Podcast where we discussed about the €100,000 incentive to purchase and renovate property in Italy. And for more information about this week's topic, be sure to check out episode 124 of the Italian Real Estate Podcast. But just in short, Marco, this week I wanted to ask you the question, will Italy actually pay you €100,000 to move to the country?
As widely reported by the media, the region of Trentino has started an initiative that will allow you to receive funds from the government to purchase and renovate a home in the region of Trentino, and more precisely in one of the 32 towns that were determined to be eligible for this initiative, on the condition that you renovate the property and that you move your residency into the property for a period of 10 years, so that you rent the property to somebody who will move the residency into the property. The local government has made available €5 million for the year 2025 and €5 million for the year 2026 that will be provided to those who purchase a home in one of the 32 towns. Up to €20,000 can be received for the purchase of a home, and up to €80,000 can be received for the renovation of the same home. Of course, the initiative is also open to those who already have a home, and in that case, they can only receive up to €80,000 for the renovation. And of course, the €20,000 and €80,000 respectively are just a percentage of the total amount, meaning that more money needs to be spent for either purchasing or renovating the property. And in order to participate in the program, you need to submit a series of documents that show your intent to renovate the property and the extent of the renovation. All applications can only be submitted in the month of September of this year for those who want to participate in the program this year. Otherwise, you need to wait for 2 more windows of time, which will be determined by the local government for 2026. So in short, you won't be paid €100,000 to move to Italy, though these are incentives for those who want to purchase and renovate a home in one of the 32 towns that were identified by the local government within the Trentino region to purchase and renovate a home and to move there for a period of 10 years.
Well, thank you so much, Marco. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the episode, for more information about this topic, be sure to check out the full episode of the Italian Real Estate Podcast, episode number 124. And again, we have been here with Italian attorney Marco Permunian from ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com as well as ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com. And I'm Rafael Di Furia, and this has been another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer. Thank you.
Thank you.